In this video, I would like to demo the application contour placement for Allegro and OrCAD PCB editor. Compared to Polar Grid, it provides a more generic approach as arbitrary paths are supported along which components can be placed. Let's start the application. The application is acting on line data defined on drawing format contour place layer. You can create path data on this layer using standard commands. Alternatively, it is possible to create contours from existing objects. For example, let's create contours from a previous DXF import. We select right mouse button, create contour from object, we pick a line, we pick a shape. We can delete some contours if not needed any longer. 3 different modes are available for interactive placement. In all cases, a component needs to be selected first. Differences only apply to spin operations. Objects can be picked from its origin or calculated center point. Let's start with RMB place and play around with the different alignment options: log long side, log short side, and absolute. Log long side, log short side, and absolute using an angle of 90 degrees. Using place and spin, the cursor logs to 90-degree increments relative to the tangent on the contour at specified location. In some cases, components need to be placed at certain predefined locations on the contour path. For this purpose, custom snap markers can be generated. In the first steps, the active contour needs to be selected. The active contour will be then highlighted in a different color. Using context menu marker manual, markers can be somewhere generated on the active contour. Using the marker intersect command, we can pick or window drag lines from arbitrary layers that intersect with the active contour path. Snap markers will be created at the intersection points. For example, data on construction subclass, RMB, marker intersect, select the lines, markers will be generated accordingly. Let's delete those markers. Using context menu marker equidistant, we first click on a point somewhere on the path. Then we may adjust spacing and quantity or use the plus or minus button to increment or decrement the numbers of the locations. We use the left mouse button to finally confirm the markers. During interactive placement, we just need to enable snap to markers so that these markers take priority. The final result may look like this.